we're trying to utilize our keto pantry, and we're going to be making 2 recipes that have to do with chia seeds. So we bought this bag and there's about 90% of it left. Chia seeds are a superfood. They're an easy way to get plant-based nutrition like alpha-linoleic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, and a great source of magnesium and fiber. So we thought, why not make some recipes using things we already have on hand for once. The first recipe that caught our eye was actually a chia seed cookie recipe. We're gonna be leaving it linked in the description below the video so you can check out all of the measurements. It has some ingredients in it that are kind of strange, but not that strange if you follow a keto lifestyle. Those ingredients are cream cheese and mozzarella. If you are new to keto, those are the main ingredients in fathead dough. And they do make things taste really good, so we're excited to try it. You're just gonna be needing things, like I said, like chia seeds, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, vanilla, baking powder, sweetener, butter, and egg whites.
Almond flour.
And almond flour. But those are all things that we have on hand. And maybe you do too. But before we get started, we're gonna talk about a different type of seed. Seeds DS-01 Daily Synbiotic, who is the sponsor of this video. Sarah and I have been keto since 2019, and honestly, that was the first time we actually prioritized our health. And prioritizing our health means also focusing on our gut health, and that is where Seed comes in. Sarah and I have been taking Seed's DS-01 Daily Synbiotic daily for over 2 years, and we feel great. DS-01 is formulated with 24 strains of bacteria that support whole body benefits. And DS-01 has definitely made a difference in our skin and in our digestion. One of the reasons why Seed works so well is because most probiotics die during digestion, but Seed stays viable thanks to their capsule-in-capsule ViaCap technology. It ensures the bacteria makes it through your stomach and your digestive enzymes, reaching your colon so they can actually be effective. So Seed comes with this beautiful glass jar. It comes with like refillable Seed capsules, and you don't need to refrigerate this. It also comes with a travel vial, which is perfect for on the go. So try Seed using our special link linked in the description and code KETOTWINS25, and you are going to get 25% off Seed's DS-01 Daily Synbiotic. Thanks so much to Seed for sponsoring this video. Let's get started with the chia seed cookies. So according to the recipe, the first step is going to be to melt together your mozzarella cheese with cream cheese. And she does this in a pan, but because we do this quite often to make fathead dough recipes, we're just gonna do it in the microwave.
Mozzarella, cream cheese. How long are you putting it in there?
I don't know, 30 seconds?
Maybe less. I don't trust it.
Okay. And if you guys haven't ever tried fathead dough, we've made a bunch of different recipes with it on our channel. We even made like little faux apple turnovers that looked really good, hand pies. And you can make pizza out of it, you can make breadsticks out of it. It's a very versatile recipe if you haven't tried to make it already on your keto lifestyle. So next up, we're gonna be creaming together the butter, egg whites, sweetener, salt, vanilla, and combine that in a separate bowl.
Butter, softened, egg whites.
Oh, 2 eggs and vanilla. All right, let's put the sweetener in. Salt. Interesting.
Looks a little chunky.
Next up, almond flour, baking powder. We creamed all those ingredients together. Now we have to add in the mozzarella cheese, cream cheese mixture. I don't know, how am I gonna mix that?
I just fold it in, I guess.
Strange.
When do you add in the chia stuff?
At the end. My hand is tired. Can I use that?
No, it would get stuck in there. We've done that before and has gotten stuck inside that. So, hand power all the way, Emily.
We're gonna add in our chia seeds, 2 tablespoons, and we're just gonna, now I'm gonna mix it all together. And if you're new here, sometimes we pick recipes that we don't know if they're gonna turn out. Sometimes we turn recipes keto. If you like our vibe, please subscribe. We would like to someday get to 250,000 subscribers, so thank you. And I'm going to refrigerate this for about an hour. And we will see you when we get back.
Take a look, see?
Looks pretty good, I think. We preheated the oven to 350 degrees. You're supposed to scoop out 12 cookies. Should we use this?
Maybe, why don't we see how many we get? Maybe we could split them in half. See how many you get. Maybe it's gonna be 6.
2, 3. So,
About half of that. Okay.
never do what we're doing. I mean, honestly, but we do everything the most difficult
We
way.
don't really have a lot of cookie equipment. Okay, so this is an ice cream scoop. So
All right, and then it said to smash it down with a glass.
is it gonna stick to
I don't
that?
know. Let's try. Whatever, I'm just gonna do it fast and hope for the best. Which is what we do with most of the recipes we try on our channel. This is the first time a recipe said it would make 12 and we actually make 12, right? 13. What? No. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I was about to say.
Can't even count.
Okay, we're gonna put these in for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. They look pretty brown. They smell really good. I think I'm gonna put them over here to cool. They're kind of soft on the top, so we definitely don't want to touch these before they're completely cool. The second recipe is a chia seed tortilla, and you're only going to need 2 ingredients for this recipe. The recipe is by Wanna Fit. So we doubled this recipe. We weighed out 20 times 2 grams of chia seeds and about 200 milliliters of water. And we let it sit in the fridge for about an hour and a half, and it's fully absorbed now. And basically, you just put it on a pan and spread it and cook it.
Sounds simple. Will it be?
Yum. People are trying the darndest things these days in recipes. I'm gonna try to put it in the center of the pan and kind of smooth it out and hope for the best. Okay, we're gonna let this cook for a couple minutes.
Maybe it needs to be more round, like a
I
tortilla.
don't know how to do that. Yeah, it's gooey still. I mean, let's give it a couple more minutes. So we're gonna give it like 3 more minutes at least on like a medium heat because it's not even solid yet. And the person's reel or whatever, it was pretty thick. It's about as thick as this, so I'm not sure what's going on here. We'll check back in like 3 more minutes. It's already been 4 minutes.
It's been about 3 or 4 more minutes. And, okay.
Ew.
It's not ready yet, I don't think. I mean,
I hope not. When you break apart the top, it looks like goo still. This is like 11 minutes into cooking. And I think we need to wait until it all kind of looks like this gray color.
you're speechless? What, you have nothing to say?
We have both of our recipes. One looks much better than the other. We're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna eat it.
Looks like something that you'd find in, like, the desert.
Looks
Stuck.
as dry as the desert,
Yeah.
honestly.
All right, let's try the cookies. They're kind of like soft to the touch. The chia
Yeah.
seeds are crunchy almost.
It reminds me of poppy seeds.
Yeah.
It's like a poppy seed.
If you told me these were poppy seeds, I probably would believe you.
Right.
If you put a little maybe lemon in there,
Mm-hmm. They're good.
doesn't taste like cheese at all.
No, I like them a lot.
This is a nice base recipe.
Mm-hmm.
The cookies have kind of like a nice chew to it,
Mm-hmm.
and they're soft, but they are holding together. I think that the chia seeds add moisture
Mm-hmm.
here.
I really like them.
Yeah, these are super good. I'd make these again.
Yeah.
For sure. And like I said, I think it's a good base recipe.
Right.
Put some lemon in there. What? Oh, you want to keep eating that?
Yeah. These are really good. Definitely check out this recipe. Make these. I really like these. I would make these again. So, here's our second recipe of the
Thing.
day. I don't know what to say about this. Sometimes we come across recipes and we're just like, really? And this is one of them. And guess what? We cooked it for like 25 minutes.
Yeah, we
That's
were there for a
ridiculous.
while.
It said 3 minutes per side. We
Maybe
cooked it for
on
25
like
minutes
really,
total.
really hot.
Hot.
Really, really hot. Let me see the inside. Is it gooey still? It's still gooey.
It's still gooey.
Oh no.
No,
Ew,
no, no.
The texture is horrible. I would say the texture is probably one of the most vile looking things that we've ever made. It's still, how could something be so wet and so dry at the same time? The outside is dry, but the inside is gooey. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. What does that taste like? Seeds. It's like we cooked it for 20 minutes for nothing. No, it's weird. No. I don't like it. No. A lot of times we say that tortillas are just kind of like vehicles for flavors and, you know, insides. I don't think this would be appetizing to make into a sandwich. I mean, it's not like, oh, you're going for another bite. No, I'm just going for the crispier side because I want to see. There's like a crispier end here. I know there's not enough for you to share. That's fine. It kind of reminds me of a flacker. Well, I like flackers. Yeah. I've seen so many recipes using chia seeds, so I wanted to see, but eating them by themselves is just kind of like tasteless and it shouldn't kind of weird. It's weird. Recipe. It's weird. Yeah. Yeah. This is why we have our channel. Is to test questionable recipes. Some of them look too good to be true. And I would say this one is definitely one of those recipes. It didn't look too good in the original video, but I thought it would work. No, but if it came out as like a tortilla, but like, why is it slimy on the inside? That's strange. Like, you bite into a tortilla, you expect it to be dry all the way through, and it's like mucusy on the inside. This is a pass. This is definitely a go. You guys are gonna like this one. And try Seed using our special link linked in the description, and you are going to get 25% off if you also use our coupon code KetoTwins25. And if you guys want to see some other cookies that we've made recently that turned out really well, you can click right here and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily. I'm Sarah. And we are the Keto Twins signing out.